Hi subscribers, hi viewers. As I promised this video of my last factory visit, packaging manufacturing factory visit in China, this is the video. As you can tell, I inspected most of their products, which were very interesting for someone new into the packaging industry. And I went through a lot of stuff that you will see in this video, and I will explain exactly what happens and what happened. If you didn't watch the video of the factory itself, I will put the link below so that you can watch the video of the whole factory. Now, they manufacture a lot of products in different types, in different sizes, and different quality to suit your needs. If you're a manufacturer or if you source products with standard factory packaging, we can brand it for you and we can negotiate. Some of these products were like really tailor-made for some specific products that you will be seeing, especially for products which were best for retail. We're talking about presents, we're talking about different types of products really. And this factory, what they do is they manufacture as well for big brands that I've seen. And in my videos, you always see me, most of this factory I visit, they do manufacture for big brands, so they offer good quality. I went to this factory, actually I was looking for that big brown box because that's what we were talking about, but these are the other products which they showed me. I wasn't expecting this at all, so they're going to show us exactly what they do and how their products come up. They can do all this at very affordable price. We are talking about branding, they will do that. The graphics, they will do that. And in no time, the only thing I had, that's one of the interesting products, boxes that I'd seen, this packaging box. It was very interesting. You can tell with the shops, different types of products. You can store multiple items in that one packaging box. So as I was saying, going back and forth, we were discussing about the sample production time and the shipping and the delivery. And I've got look at the other brands that they were showing me, they work with. The delivery time is not a problem, and they say that they can have that because they've got certain products which they specialize in. So if you're interested in anything at all, I think it will be of good idea. Let's say a lot of e-commerce people, drop shipping people, and retail people will be targeting the Christmas period. It will be of great idea to contact, to place your orders now if you want, or just to do your quotations, to do your inquiries, find out how much your packaging will cost. Now, because it's one of the first packaging factories I will visit, to say that I did not expect all this stuff. What I was looking for and what they offered me, it was those main shipping boxes, but they offer them in different types, different types, different designs, and they are very durable. I'd seen some of them, they are very strong. Look at this. This you don't even need presents at all. So the packaging on its own, it is a present. They can modify it, put some lights, put some electrical items on it for grand design. I mean, for all people, make it attractive as well for kids. It was very interesting. Now I will be making more videos because I am going back to this factory to discuss a few things. That's one item that I saw that was interesting. When I go back, we're starting to launch our own products. We're starting to launch our own packaging manufacturing service, outsourcing our work to this factory. And I'll be as much as transparent and as reliable so that you can beat your competitors. The most important thing I always say that you can work with, this box was one of the type I was looking for. I want you to see its quality, I want to see its strength, and I want to see how good it is, the design and everything. If you order your products and we store them in these boxes, you don't have a product, you don't have a problem with receiving your products broken or damaged. We will make sure that your products arrive in good quality. Now, as I was saying, this gentleman stood actually on top of the box to show how good quality it is. Now, if you order products without visiting the factory, I always say you might get poor quality products and you might get scammed. So like I always emphasize, visit the factory. If you cannot visit the factory, make sure that you get a sourcing agent to visit the factory. That way, that's the only best way you can be guaranteed quality products, and they know that you can come back to the factory should there be a problem. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video.